Basic meaning in Yoruba language. Level 3. Ne uyori po uriowo evu ve afe. That is from head to toe, inside and out. Lesson 4. Internal organs. Heart, ubudu, brain, afori, stomach, evu, liver, irwe, kidney, ubiehu, lungs, irwe, ruhohogo, blood, ọbara, bone, ubeku, vein, urien, nerve, urien roma, neve, uhohi. Thank you.